Uh, okay, this is the video introduction for week 13, and this will probably be pretty short because we're continuing with Cheryl Strayed's Wild. So you should be reading up through page 205, which I think is chapter 13. Let me double check that. Chapter 12. I'm sorry. So read through chapter 12. There is on the content folder, there's a chapter from Larson's book on memoir called The Problem with Narration. That's for grad students. So if the grad students would read that one and pull some information out of that to share with the rest of the class, I would appreciate it. Things have been a little slow on the discussion board this week. I hope we can start picking that up this week. From those that I've heard from, seems like you're enjoying Wild, so I hope you have a good week with it. If just remember that on the 10th, which is this week, so that November 10th is when the welcome to week 13. We're getting kind of close to the end. I know everybody's probably getting pretty tired and you've got a lot of work due. Try and hang in there. We're getting very close. So you do have one project due this week. That's the blog project. So remember that that will be due on November 10th. Just remember that what I'd like you to do is think of this as a concept piece. So I'm a little less concerned about you producing something long and complicated. I'd like to just have a flavor of what your concept is. So what you should be doing is think of an idea or a title for the entire blog. And on the About page, just tell me a little bit about yourself, even just a few sentences will be fine. And then a little bit about the concept of the blog and what you intend to do on the blog. And then one blog, sample blog entry. And again, as I've said before, this can be fairly short. So it might be almost like a blast nonfiction piece. So that's due on November 10th. Continue reading Cheryl Strayed's Wild. I hope you're enjoying that. Discussion has been light this week. I know everybody's busy, but if we could get some discussion going on it, that would be great. For the grad students, in the folder, there is also a chapter from Larson's book on memoir, which is entitled The Problem with Narration. So if the grad students could look at that and pull some information out of it that they feel like is useful and share that with the rest of the class, that'd be great. So if you have questions about the blog piece or if I can do anything else for you, just send me an email and have a good week.